Benny the banana tree. In a sunny garden, there lived a big banana tree named Benny. Benny had lots of green leaves and yummy yellow bananas on his branches. Benny liked feeling the warm sun and swaying in the wind. He reached up high to catch the sunlight. Every day, a farmer took care of the garden. He gave water to the plants and made sure they were happy. Time went by, and Benny grew taller. His bananas turned yellow and tasty. The farmer came to pick them. One day, a strong wind blew. Benny held on tight, but some bananas fell down. Benny felt sad, but then he saw something good. The fallen bananas helped the soil, making it better for new plants. Benny learned that even bad things can have good results. And so, Benny the banana tree felt proud of his bananas, even the ones that fell down.